Bless up, y'all. Starting to get chilly outside. Right now, this time of year, middle of October, end of October, getting into November, it's getting colder. I start to get ready to put these garlic in the ground. I'm doing a workshop. Y'all can come out to the farm and learn all about planting garlic. Not just planting garlic. We're going to call it the fall into winter workshop. Because as you slide right into winter, there's certain things that you should be doing at your farm, at your garden. This workshop is going to show you step by step. So we're going to go through certain things like the garlic here. So this garlic, like, we use it for a lot of different things because it's antibacterial, antifungal, anti-everything. It really gets rid of the germs and the bacteria. With our plants, like, garlic is a great companion plant. So I'm already planning ahead for 2025. The things that you need to be doing in the fall time is planning and prepping for next season. You get ahead of it right now. You got to finish strong. This workshop is going to give you all this information. If you can, come out here in person and learn from me. Hands on. We're going to be putting our hands in the dirt and planting these garlic as well as cover crops, doing a lot of other things. You're going to get a tour here at the farm, an edible tour. If you can't come in person, just get the live stream so that you can get all the information. How good your year is going to be next year depends on how well you can plan for it and shut your garden down this year. So we outside. Stay rooted. Keep going. Bless.